Today I'm talking about the WalkingPad R3 Hybrid Plus, a foldable treadmill that is compact but very powerful. It's a 3-in-1 model, so whether you like walking, jogging or running, this one fits your style and space. The best part about the R3 Hybrid Plus is the 180 degrees folding system. Super easy to use. Once folded, it's super compact. You can store it upright against a wall or slide it under a bed or a sofa. It's perfect if you don't have a home gym. Your living room or bedroom corner, it's enough. It has a clear LED screen. It shows your distance, speed, step and calorie. And of course, you can use the KS Fit app to control everything. It's simple and you can track your progress. You also get a remote control to change the speed easily. The R3 is a real hybrid. You can walk up to 3.7 miles per hour, which is 6 kilometers, or run up to 7.5 miles per hour, which is 12 kilometers per hour. There's also a smart sensor that's called FootSense. Step forward to go faster, step back to slow down, and if you stop, the treadmill stops. It's super intuitive. Note this automatic mode is only available in walking mode and not during a running mode. The R3 is comfortable to use. It has a large running area of 47.2 inches long and 17.3 inches large. It also has a 4-layer cushion system to protect your knee. The armrests are non-slip, removable and adjustable. So you can set the right height to feel nice and secure, or you can completely remove them if you prefer to. It has a 265-pound maximum capacity, so it works for many body types. This model is also great for working from home. Use it with a standing desk as your walking treadmill. The folding design and adjustable arms make it easy to fit. Walk slowly while walking, reading emails, or during calls. You stay active without even thinking about it. It has a brushless motor of 735 watts. That means it's quiet but strong. Use it during the morning or at night, even during a video call. No one will be bothered. It also comes with cool features such as child lock for safety, foldable phone holder for watching video or your favorite shows, sturdy wheels to move it easily, adjustable feet for uneven floor. Like every product, there are some small things to know. It's a bit heavy, about 90 pounds, but the wheels help. It's a hybrid, so they are more stable to switch from a treadmill to a walking pad. It only comes in black, so no color option to match your personality. The safety cord must be plugged in even in walking mode, but there is not enough space to store it in a small box, so it hangs a bit on the floor. Who is it for? This model is perfect if you want a powerful treadmill that doesn't take up space, you want to walk, jog or run at home quietly, and you want something strong, smart but compact. Honestly, I love how compact and powerful it is. It really checks all the boxes for home workout with no stress. And a great news is WalkingPad is offering a special discount. Check the link and the code in the description below. If you have any question about this model or any other model, leave a comment and I will be more than happy to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you soon. Ciao!